Bawumia pa who they advise Bawumia. Anyway, I GC News Beba Obibia Akwawa had the latest and hot news kwa enamide Bremo Enuti so we subscribe ya bomodi say we subscribe to the channel. What you be say over click the subscribe button. Now what barely notification when sa new video be upload. What the first person I was up can yes video. After we are now like video give us a thumbs up. Now share my offer for so now when you do here now and some and also will Ghana memoir. Afriyie and some abeto yeposo. Kweku Annan coming over the Net2 TV. See our new TV station. The one of the and some tuga. And yet Bawumia why pasa just say Bawumia kasaro ubisa ho sem bi kura odo ho won tiase ni sem kekane ade no na or the MPP for 2016 what just say 2016 2020 and some of mo manifesto kura do na muntimi ye Afriyie wasaba bi gida platform so can sem bi sell electricity go obetiso meanwhile so previous who can sell electricity bill no a board na yetua no say you need the lowest crowd. Afriyie na ba ya nya de wo ka se oba obetiso ma me do bi o kasa ase o your position leader na fo person oba pe ho je se Kweku na de ho a wonti ase bi ka na Kweku na pra ye na sere ni se bi o ka kan na je se ye na se ani wa ye Bawumia pasa je se o je se Bawumia smo ka nyina atrosem o atro ni kwa ba ko se kura ebi ni Kweku na watete Bawumia pasa na itentemara yekuti ye ensemo ye Kweku Annan edituga o ye ketu Bawumia ni sembibre ya wakaka ye ni manifesto ni sema waka bibiri no Kweku Annan areati ama wada ensembudo na already yekuti nje Kweku Annan.
The politics of today. Now, politics of today takes us to the flag bearer of the governing New Patriotic Party, Alhaji Muhammadu Bawumia, promising paradise for the people of Ikropong youth that he's going to train 1 million youths in digital skill. Question remain, what is Dr. Bawumia's roadmap? Ora Bawumia ekojine Ikropong promising the youth of Ikropong and nada and no 1 year we are nanya day. Why would Bawumia go there and promise the people of Ikropong say we'll be training 1 million youths? No. Adiama many abremo politicians in na anyahwe manonsem. Yeah, can say if you go into the blueprint of the NPP manifesto edaho mo de buy thing any 2020 nimienu of this era we and nyoma egusa manifesto nyanyoma keto Bawumia ka ho till now Bawumia muntimi yeni na nwie and yet Bawumia na mabonten continue to lie, continue to perpetuate the falsehood, telling lies. Ni nara ode peden vote. Adinti na obeyesa. Mr. Vice President. Eno na make us say, wait a minute oh. Adia Bawumia ko gina na anu ya watakra de awoye. Ase ne sen. Hwe kasadodo a Bawumia ko kan ye e wo Western. Na hwe kasadodo a Bawumia ebe kan ye our UPSA in February. Nako MPP manifesto number 3. MPP manifesto 2016-2020. Does Bawumia need to come and tell the people of Ikropong that he will do ABCD? Does he need to do that? A brand new me go on. When you are completion in area yet, we could general ABD and throw lies and throw any falsification. Yet se nipa ma wo madrian na ho and then America know if the media no so am one nipa nipa na ntena se anya informed decision and informed choice and today biano we would continue to vote for governments that will come to power with full of lies, bunch of crooks, rogues, thieves, any people who don't have any vision except to say all of us plus me Kweku Ameka on the media our inability to tell people what they need to know. One can we will crop on yet. Take a listen to him.
Jobs will be my major focus. Now, me be training 1 million youth in digital skills. 1 million youth. in digital skills. Ohona ejumano ewo ubetimenya digital skills. Unko university as long as you can read and write, you betimi train you. Now when you digital skills, uti akroponha na uyejuma what America, what Canada, what Japan, what UK, na uti high because who are digital skills, not limited only to Ghana. The whole world is open for you. Nasa na yebe. The person membunu yenya ejuma aye. Jobs would be my major focus. Now, me be training 1 million youth in digital skills. 1 million youth in digital skills. Ohana ejumano ewo ubetimenya digital skills. Unko university as long as you can read and write, you betimenya train you. Now when you digital skills, uti akroponha na uyejuma what America, what Canada, what Japan, what UK, na uti high because who are digital skills, not limited only to Ghana. The whole world is open for you. Nasa na yebe.
Hey, train you. How you do Canada? How you do America? Now you where guys? Who do rather some all of this are all lies. Intro. You see, the reason why me near break Bawumia so no. Dibi na sad na nya hampo na esi ma meka. Eno so ka ho na me free media house bi. Sad na pe. Did nam se Bawumia wonya na kwafo. Eno pe was when Bawumia told the world at the time I know my power. And Bawumia told the world about the IMF conditionalities issues. Now me share the zeal, the power to which Bawumia delivered. Now me share Bawumia benya nakunya, now the vice president. And one particular fateful day, the economy of Ghana acted so much to the brim, now ready to hit the iceberg, not the tip of it. That baby Edrono, Charlie, Ghana need a life oxygen to survive. Where is the guy, Bawumia? The Metianza Akufo Addo actual letter, the Akoma Minister of Finance. So Akwano or Sheikh Kalikono. Quickly, or say begin to liaise with stakeholders. Now, yeah, the Ghana and IMF, no. That was the end. I'm saying, whoa. And ever since, if you watch most of the footages of Bawumia, and the kure, your friend in the kure, Bawumia to me in the kure. Bawumia to me and the kure. Bawumia to me in the kure. Still on Muhammadu Bawumia campaign, and I'm going to say this then versus now. On power production in Ghana, what he said or what he earlier told Ghanaians some time ago and what he's saying today. Mi beyin foni achro Bawumia then, Bawumia today. Nipa baako. They be a why say the Roman god of two heads, Juno. Eti we say ya uhumenimino. Say ya asu mechi. Is the Roman god of Juno. If you study, just then you can understand this. So your Wahana, the same thing or Kaumechi. So this same face, there's one at the back, speaking to how many people? So between the two, who is telling the truth? What is this? Bawumia Kanano, who's a Monday Miyadi Bichemo about our summer Wakoka or Western region. Efa Debon, the Poalugu multi-purpose dam. Bawumia Intimian can't check Ghana for say, hey, wait a minute, guys. My government has learned, say, about $11 million bill says, I can create to me which one? And I put at least $1 biaira. Into Bawumia country Ghana for say, Sikebia Yara Poalugu multi-purpose dam. I Bawumia, I am going to investigate. Yeah, says Sikana Obi Asho change Ghana. We retrieve the money and construct. No, Bawumia said, yes, I net here. Walk off one for Edward Maba. Ababa Yedia Sikana Iran the one come once. Obi a discount free, yet Udru Poaluguha Aspa more from Sophie Bakuse more from Yenishi Sikana Ira. I feel about catch no wakotra radio station be mo wakase anio MPP ba power since independence adeba kwa or say since independence adeba kwa the government of wine let Akufo Addo led government on Okahono our mayen air Palugu multi-purpose dam in a few minutes no osa down ho afinu oka nenumu ne krese omunya hwe wo ho eimre hwe ade Bawumia mayati ade bia se wo ha se ekwanya the governing party MPP etimi reduce electricity power consumption aba from no aban bia nya bi sa eno no wo kana na no na nzu edi nti na Bawumia be kasa na wo kasa wo ye penimu wo ka wasem emi nipa ji wedi ana wo pe ye tumi nti wo boyensem wo ehwimi tumi na free yensem because you want power so na asem ne tie how many times our politicians NDC MPP mo be continue edi entro enada akohwesem enabrabasem actual wisdom people who think and I'm obviously a biom your dream. Take a listen to Bawumia one more time.
Today, our government is the first government in the whole of the Fourth Republic to reduce electricity prices. First government on net terms. When you look at where we were when we came in and electricity prices per kilowatt today, we are about 10% lower than where we were when we came in on average.
There doesn't mean no as the percent the electricity no go ever from Ghana. The percent the electricity no go ever from. And then Ghana electricity was so because you crack oil, any gas, any produce electricity. Oil the gas was no cost lower.
Today, our government is the first government in the whole of the Fourth Republic to reduce electricity prices. First government on net terms. When you look at where we were when we came in and electricity prices per kilowatt today, we are about 10% lower than where we were when we came in on average.
News on YouTube.
The percent the electricity no go ever from Ghana. The percent the electricity no go ever from. And then Ghana electricity was so because you crack oil, any gas, any produce electricity. Oil the gas was no cost lower.
I'm confused. I'm confused. I don't know which one Bawumia is talking about. I am. Answer you. So, in some instances, but you see, this is where Ghanaians, you're not careful. And Prempeh so you do, and then your month of what? August, eh? So this year you're quite September, October, November, 3 months to elections. Until for December count, because December na what to about 3 months, Ghanaians. But in between 3 months, you move back on a Japadie review is coming back. Hot, brutal. No besh, papa. And why a Japadie document? A Japadie document will decide election 2024. Now, tonight we are learning with shock from the public that the Minister of Youth and Sports, those are $3 million United States dollars for all African Games coverage. But the nation's television GBC director claims that he has not received such a quantum of money. Rather, he received only $105 US. Sikanka na wehe. Edi ntu omuntu member clarify asem me yehu anu ye. Is it true say obi a short change the government of Ghana? Obi a short change the people of Ghana? The remaining sikana wehe. Wo be chirichiri mu da ben me yate ase. Send us some Pierre. Take a listen to this. Listen to this.
Can you share with this committee how much that coverage was for and whether payment has been made for same?
Yes, GBC was the official broadcaster for the African Games, the 13th African Games, and I can confirm that full payment have made to GBC.
Do you have per chance what the amount was?
I can't recall the exact amount, but I know that it's in the excess of $3 million US dollars.
You paid GBC
yes.
in excess of $3 million US dollars for coverage of the All Africa Games.
Yes.
Chairman, I think that I would rest here and maybe the next time GBC appears before us, because most of the technicians who worked on the All Africa Games have still not been paid. And so we wanted to ascertain if you have paid and how much has been paid. Chairman, I'm grateful.
An event or a series of events such as 2 weeks of sporting fiesta, GBC did not have the technical equipment to do that. So we made it very clear to the ministry from the first meeting that that has to be outsourced. We don't have the equipment. We don't have the equipment capacity to do it. So the ministry agreed that we should play the role of the official broadcaster, and technical teams were brought in from outside the country. They flew in with their equipment. And as the official broadcaster, we had the responsibility to confirm that work was done and that payment should be effected. And some of these payments were routed through GBC to these third-party payments. Those transfers were not for the benefit of GBC. And we could never have used those monies for GBC's needs. No, it wasn't possible. That would have been criminal. We facilitated payments to foreign third parties who came in to do the production and not for the benefit of GBC. The benefit total payment to GBC for GBC's benefit, I repeat, was $105,000 US, and that is what we got.
Now, but does GBC have any?
The rest no way. GBC director just spoke. First person or Kasa minister no. Last person or Kasa GBC director. So the rest of the money, where is it? $3 million United States dollars. The GBC director is telling you and I, school receive CVNAs and $105. Hey, la.
I strongly believe that Abai we are co position. You bet you make Noari.
Hey,
yeah, that's one co position.
Only FM.
So do some
I said there's where you win in pound.
Debbie, say, as a woman co position. What about the current? Say, may you near Juby. And then what me feel by CC and Tim. Captain, as a mayor, and you will say, we could not bomb me minimum. Okay. Now, Papa Shamon Swaba, oh, how fancy. We hear a frame you to me, Buffy, who film say Anne. Or by number 2 and you will get a noa. Yet in so share to 2 a Juby Momasu, a Juby and then so at Samia, or say, well, faster, Papa Mama. Okay. What was Anna? DJ Hum Fefe,
DJ
Scooby. Captain who film say Anne, not so, maybe be about me, Babestra. Now, send me you. Now, I be there, so we could not bomb it, Manosma, Mr. Bakwatu. So, what are we here, Juby Papa? What's one by fear by day?
Only FM 95.1. I just say
separation.
My family, me banned in our Apo.
Sanity, Sabai way, MPP way. Wabo Ghana to do. We're Ghana to do. We're ripping Ghana, sir. Only obey there. Abaya, you are bre or Tim say jam you. Oh, plano.
Or one sabe.
We're pre Ghana. Ah, and you know, the Abani Nani a separation. Huh? I say, amount or money abaning Temo take a cran again and call wire for floor. Thank you, no, Sapenadi, and no, Jan was I call our because maybe I didn't do say no chief. I mean, Casamancho, Ministry of Youth and Sports. All African Games,
yeah. Oh, I don't see a issue.
Debbie, they're watching in your issue. Set $3.6 million.
Make $15 million for the players. Oh,
I don't see your issue.
And we who?
Debbie, I don't your issue.
Hey, any players?
Debbie.
Let me just say all the players know. There's Ghana players in Guam.
Debbie, $50 million no year. Win my players no.
Players being.
I know nyasem
from other countries and
Ghana players 50
Ghana
million.
Players being.
I know nyasem.
And you medals say.
Train. Oh. Member, I don't cry. I said and it's obvious only Papa could be did to Saponko. Chande fan say,
hey, $50 million.
Also, Akufo Addo did to say, Ponko. Chande nyashi.
Only FM.
Ba fa phone.
5.1.
Fa phone call calculator so.
Yenko.
Wako so. Okay. But 7500000. When you say
7
5 00000.
7.5 million.
7.5 million. Divide the eno by 6,000. 1, 2, 3.
By saying
6,000.
1,250.
Chain
6,000.
When ya 7.5 million. 250. Chain paper 6,000 free ho.
Only FM 95.1.
For 1,250 in to ho. A chief will be unfun to ho.
1,000.
Where we eno.
Aye.
Where we?
Aye.
Any pair bag Ghana hanging ba all African games. Omundu 20,000.
Oh, who can spectators name?
Nipa can players only playing body ni. When we buy you know omundu 20,000.
Oh, are you sure?
Omundu
Park near Mount.
the park na yamanya Ghana for ne. How many Nigerians na buy?
I said Nigerian for now grab British.
Okay.
Na park dan kasa capacity ai.
80. Say ya me no ka say. Macha Ministry of Youth and Sports. A domini bia ka o me de soro abofo ne Ghana nsamafo. Kwabe Nkrumah kura soro ba hwe bi. Me do wan ka ho. Kwabe Nkrumah kura nya ne by Buzia by Rollins by Professor Mensah na soro ba ji accreditation. Into 7 million no. For 20,000 share 1 2 3. Yen say nipa 20,000. No more accreditation. 7.5 million divided by 20,000. When you say?
Okay, 7.5 million.
Divided by 20,000. Say
375.
Nature say, unim accreditation. Sadia na bobo na ID card den say omukom no. Omo purchase omo de America dollar no $375 no mo de year back. And only 50 million de hena no she.
To say your tag, yeah.
Tag yet, so
yeah,
tag na say omukom no ya laminated normally all African games no. $7.5 million no more dey for nipa 20,000 Kwame Nkrumah fiasama do buy Buzia Baba GB Mills beje ne de Pakwese Misata buy me na nefo anso we dada efo anso sore buy Kweku bicha mame abafo buy wo bushafo wu na be ka ho mo do 20,000 chenye nso mo accreditations makum 20,000 accreditation 20,000. We divided $7.5 million by 20,000, $375 per one accreditation. Obama crowd that's a Democrat for a Democratic National Convention. Accreditation say kurano ebedu $150. Now say laminated I didn't say keke no back we $375.
And I think there's a back TV.
What they train? $375. You fan call cities.
Ghana Sikam.
Entire 375 times
16 cities.
That time there is 16 super pepe. Mathematics here pa.
3.
60 million 6,000.
Yes, I didn't know mukomu.
60 million.
Company man here this contract mom.
Aju bisa omo.
Hey, you grow for the deal groma ebi hramu.
But your African games to talk draws mama.
Oh, say swimming no. Unse swimming no. Ebi
manka athlete o table asema mka ye ma. Manka athlete na. Manka one representing Ghana.
Na one na okay.
We all African games. What draws mama?
A man like a man
say you see a third draws.
A man never be games.
Some make it still I would repeat it. Be say athlete just
go foreigners.
And you can say you allocate budget for draws and
for draws. Ya third draws mama. What say?
And I miss my girlfriends and now.
Yeah, you allocate budget mama.
Saying draws the near saying. Draws $72,000.
Yɛde kɔtɔ dross.
Until you buy
Ah, we be for so. Was to ni ska bi wa ma ya akonta bo obaya. Ska bi wa ma ya akonta. Na obaya. You see, hey, these are the things I want. What they are not to nchen. What they are not to nchen. We hear na catch them say park net da ho no say water tobacco bia $22,000.
Ya pay so no go so for sha.
Say.
Park no mo boss you know.
I mean, so we so more than $319 million. Na ye all African Games.
$319 million.
Yes.
I engineer minister that over $300 million.
Me can't say we. And I'm not bufu ya. Me can't imagine what the show.
No. But GBC, Amina House has come to refute that. Don't you say?
They are different.
Now they are okay.
Make a total $390 million.
Oh, really?
That's how much. Now we are there now. Nipa na onu aduane no. Aduane ya wo kan you. I know my black Ghana athletes that one represent here or African Games no. On a contract profit here $4.5 million.
K travel.
Enye Ethiopia na yere alatani no.
Ethiopia.
Ethiopia na yere alatani no come
Oh, press secretary to the president.
Oh, chief. Yeah, ho kra de.
Nana Santi be do Nigeria.
Me ba ho mo. Hwe. Wo eno a. Say all African Games here top plates ne cutlery you ho na befa.
Oh, some better disposable one nti omu wi.
Yeah, disposable. Yeah, cutlery yeah the African Games as disposable rubber.
And they bought
plates, they bought cups, they bought cutlery proper. You ho na befa.
Second with the
blow $319 million. Basin hotels na countries ne kodae no yintu omoka. More documents in the office was here.
Other countries no mobile.
Hotels now more da okrom ha no basin na wo muntu aka wie.
And so $390 million.
And so
Thomas Akwaji
and so second says $390 million na so yankaka wo.
Into Mensah Akwaji bia.
Ade yan so me say be kwa Akwaji bia. Aka wo de ka ye ntu aka.
Hey.
What they are not to nchanya commentators na ye fa wo mo no. Basin ne. Almost member 1,000 Ghana, you 100 cities, 100 cities, 100 cities, 900 na kamuno, homuntu yai. Fedon so tunje.
Into Olua, ye man is saying.
Only the Jimmy saw no one casa. I want the camera to honey, Denny, basin ne in Jamaica.
Nitiscano call one is
someone who could yai.
Yo, it is for winning and some of your Kweku Annan edited a year Bawumia ho when some kika what you say Bawumia some of Carina quickly matronqua. Just our game hokra won't yasi. Kweku Annan the ensemble go na run to the make out say to see news so and our heno so we don't subscribe ya Omodia say over subscribe to the channel no sense happy latest and hot news and kwa enamide bremo. I feel we are not like if you give us a thumbs up not fee share my offer for us now. We will be here now and some more also. We will be to actually working on fire and some way now. I will comment boxing more. In my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.